And we are in front of the new Robeta RS on the Fiat Ducati chassis for this model year. And actually I'm pretty perfect 98,000 euros with all these specs where you can sleep 5 people or actually almost 6 and drive 5 people, because we have an bench seat also on this side and then a double sitting here. On this side you have 2 cabinets and the pop-up roof. I slept in one of this pop-up roof and actually it's pretty comfy. Just that LED light situation up there, I just sticked something on top of it because it was ruining my sleeping. Then from this side, kitchen setup area, and you slide out from this side for your waste. Standard Dometic 2-burner stove and an actual sink with a bigger cooking cabinet just right under it, and Dometic pretty small compact bathroom with slight storage right up here, and also they left this right storage right up there. And on the back we have this bunk bed situation with the actual sitting area under it that can be converted into a bed. So I will be getting out and checking out the actual size of this RS Campervan from the back, measuring the actual size, actual wide of this bed. It's approximately 1.2, and from this side we are looking at about also 1.2. And then the upper bed is now stored on the upper side, but yes, you can lower it down. Pretty interesting 5.4 meter camper van that can actually sleep 6 people.